Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss sequence and series. Alright, sequence and series is just one of the branch of mathematics that just explain to us how number occur. Sequence is just occurrence of numbers in a regular pattern according to a certain pattern. Let's say we have, for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These numbers are our normal integer and they are occurring according to a certain rule. This rule govern them is known as the rule of this sequence. Each member of this sequence is called term. The rule govern this one is add 1. Let's say we have 1 as our first term. By adding 1 to this 1, we have the second term. Adding 1 to this second term, we have third term. Adding 1 to the third term, we have fourth term, and so on and so forth. And that's sequence. Can we continue? Alright guys, let's use these 3 as an example. For the first one, then we have the first term to be 1, the second one to be 2, the third term to be, okay, the first term is 1, the second term is 1, then the third term is 2, the fourth term is 3, and so on and so forth. Like, we want us to find the next 2 terms, which means that what number is after 8 and what number is after that number. Okay, let's take this number now and see what is happening between them. The first one plus the second one will give us the third one, while the second one plus the third one will give us the fourth one. Then the third one plus the fourth one give us the fifth one. The fifth one, okay, the fourth one plus the fifth one give us the next one, and that's the sequence. Now, if you are looking for the next time after 5 and 8, it will be 5 plus 8, which is going to be 13. So the next one will now be 8 and 13, which is going to give us 21. Alright, and that's the next 2 terms after 5 and 8. For the B part, if you look at the pattern, we have it to be, the first one is 2.75, followed by minus 5.5, followed by 11, followed by minus 22, followed by 44. Alright, if you look at this number here, given to us, we have, okay, 2.75 multiplied by minus 2. If you multiply this one by minus 2, you have minus 5.5. Multiply minus 5.5 by minus 2, you have 11. 11 times minus 2 give us minus 22. Minus 22 times minus 2 give us 44. So the next time will now be 44 times minus 2, which is minus 88. Then the next time after that one will now be minus 88 times minus 2, which is minus, okay, plus 176. Alright, the third part of it, we have our first term here to be 1, our second term is 4, the third one is 9, the fourth one is 16, 25, and so on and so forth. Those also find the next 2 terms. Okay, if you notice this one now, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, which means that they are squaring the term here. Alright, the next one here is going to be 6 square. It's going to be 6 term, which is 6 square, which is 76. Then the next one after that one is going to be 7 term, which is 7 square, which is 49. Therefore, the next 2 term here is 49. If you want to know the rule govern this one, you just add the term square, and that is the rule guiding this one. Alright, now from our objective now, we are to define arithmetic progression, which is an arithmetic progression is known as AP in short. It's a sequence in which the consecutive terms increase or decrease by adding or subtracting a constant. That constant is known as common difference. Let's say we have a sequence. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. To know the common difference, we subtract the first term from the second term, or the second from the third term. Then the common difference here is we have 2 minus 1, or we use 3 minus 2, or we use 4 minus 3, and so on and so forth. So we have 1 for each, or any of the terms we use to find the common difference. So in short now, to find the number of terms of AP, the first one there is known as A, which is the first term. D is known as common difference, and that's the difference between the second and the first, or the third and the second. Common difference. And number of terms now, that's the position, or the one we are looking for. Let's say we are looking for this one, and that's number 1, that's first term. This one is number 2, that's second term, third term, fourth term, and so on and so forth. That's the number of term. N stands for number of term. So in short, to write the formula for number of term, we use U of n equals to A plus n minus 1 to bracket D. And that's the formula we use for number of term. You will notice from what we have here, when we are looking for number 2, it's just as having 1 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, 1. If when we are looking for number 2, is the same thing as 1 plus 2, which is number 2 minus 1 times our common difference, which is 1, which is 1 plus 1, to give us that 2. Action. They say find the 15th term of AP 5, 10, 15, 20. The first thing we need to do here is we locate our first term, which is A, and that's 5. The common difference, which is D. Remember I told you that the second term is the first term. Therefore we have 10 minus 5, or we can use 15 minus 10, or we use 20 minus 15, which is what? 5. Then we have the number of terms. We have us to find 15. Then our U of n will now be our A, which is what? 5, plus our n is 15 minus 1 from the formula A plus n minus 1 D. Then and our common difference is 5. So therefore we have 5 plus this one will give us 15 times. Okay, no, 15 minus 1 is 14. So therefore we have 5 plus 14 times 5. Then 14 times 5 will have to be 70. Then our 15 times of the AP is 75. Alright, when we make next lesson, we continue from AP and we do more example before we move to sum of AP. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for seeing the next one.